Alright guys, so welcome to Terminal 1 and we're going to Vancouver, Canada. So all you need to do first is to pay for your travel tax. So ayan si Ate Ping paying our travel tax kasi kailangan nyo talaga to. And number 2 is you need to download egov.ph or meron namang e-travel. So yun yung gagawin nyo. So di ko nalalagay yung tutorial. So, ito yung amount ng travel tax, 1,620. Hindi pa sila nagtataas. And, yep, we're going to check our flight. So, we didn't check in pa kasi sa Japan Airlines kami since punta kami ng layover ng Japan. Okay, so airport story. So, while waiting for our flight, kasi 11 p.m. pa yung flight namin going to Japan, sabi nila 8 p.m. pa daw pwedeng kumuha ng boarding pass. So, what we're going to do now is, taran! We are working! Nakaupo kami ngayon sa mga luggages namin while working. So, ayan. Diba? Unti lang din tao, pero ang ganda na dinaanan namin kanina sa EDSA. Wala masyadong traffic dahil wala nagta-travel. At walang mga estudyante. At maraming nag-cancel. Kasi nga, may typhoon today. So, very, timing yung typhoon ngayon. Umiiyak yung kalangitan sa aming pag-alis. So, kanina pa kami nag-aantay. So, it's already 8 p.m. At mag-check-in na kami. Yes. Are you excited? Yep. So, ayun nga. Natagalan kami sa OIC. Ang daming tanong. Ang tinanong sa amin is, anong purpose ng pagpunta namin sa Canada? Kailan yung balik? If may relative ka, itatanong nila, paano daw sila maniniwala kung may relative kayo talaga doon na pupuntahan. So, you need to show them their passport. So, namin yung passport ni Ate Camille since we have it. So, kinakabahan kami kasi baka ma-offload kami since ang dami namin binook na flight. So, that's it. So, we're already here waiting for our flight going to Canada. Yay! So, we are now here sa aming flight. Okay. So, ang ganda dito kasi meron silang free blanket pag nilamig ka. And they also have one pillow. So that's it. Let's fly to Japan. So we have our free meal here in Japan Airlines. And our ticket didn't say anything about this, so we're surprised. Arigato! Alright, so guys, welcome to Haneda. So, we're going to International Connecting Flights Terminal 2. So here, because we're going to get our luggage, we're going to transfer to Narita. So, kanina nagkaroon kami ng problem. So, nagtanong-tanong lang kami. So, yun lang talaga yung pinaka-the best way. So, let's go. So, guys, nagkamali kami kanina. Dapat para sa arrivals kami immigration dahil we're going to get our luggage. So, diretso pa pala yun. And then, kailangan namin to go through the immigration. Freshen up, guys. So, wala pa kaming ligo and I'm going to introduce you Japan's or Canada's restroom. Panis. O, diba? Ganyan lang siya. So, pull up. Then, magka-close na siya. See? Cutie. Tapos, ito yung sinasabi ng electronic ng Japan. At may mga ganyan-ganyan pa sila. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. So, iba-ibang pressure ng, ng water. So, ano position. Lupit na may dryer pa. So, ito yung flash. Wala din yung flash. Instructions sila. And then, toilet seat. Wow. May seat cleaner pa. Tapos, ito how to lock. Nakalock na ba yan? Ayun. Nakalock na. First time. Tapos, ang luwag ng CR nila. Grabe. Ang dami pang tissue. Pwede mag-uwi. Joke. Guys, ang kulit lang neto. Nagulat ako. Pagkaupo ko, nag-sensor siya. Ibig sabihin, may tao. Ayan o. Tapos, ganyan nagtunog. Ang lupit. Tapos, yung garbage, kailangan sensor din. Sensor din talaga. Tingnan nyo. Iba na sa sensor niya. Ayun. Ayun. Diba? Tapos, pag-close. Tada! Magic! So, ayun na nga guys. So, video na ako. Na-freshen up na. So, ang 4 hours lang ang aming flight going here from Manila. And then, ang nangyari, mali-mali pa kami ng punta kasi nga hindi namin alam kung saan yung terminal na kukunin namin yung baggage first kasi self-transfer din kami from Haneda to Narita. So, ayun na nga nangyari. Dire-diretso lang. Nagtanong-tanong lang kami. Tanong, is life here? So, buti na nag-i-English sila dito. At ang nangyari is magla-line up muna tayo sa immigration. And then, you're going to get the immigration form. Sulat mo pangalan mo, yung details mo, but nandun ka sa Japan. So, kami transfer lang naman kami. Since transfer lang kami, madali lang kami. Pero meron na rin kaming Japan visa. Pero for transit lang yun. So, ayun nangyari. May pa-finger identification, may passport, and then yun na, wala naman masyadong tanong about yourself. Basta nandun na yun sa form yung lahat ng gagawin mo. And then, 12 hours lang naman kami layover dito. So, not really, hindi naman big deal sa kanila yon. At di na sila tatanong kung ano-ano. Basta nandun sa form mo, lahat ng information na papupunta mo doon sa Japan. So guys, bago ka lumabas ng Japan, since it's our first time, kailangan mo ng custom of declaration, or customs declaration. Kahit wala kang dala, basta lalabas ka lang ng Japan. Ayan ang kailangan mo. So, fill it up first before you go out. So, first time namin sa Japan. So, sobrang nakakatuwa yung mga electric something nila dito. So, ayun, mamaya marami pa kami adventure at marami pa kami matututunan at magtatanong-tanong na naman. Welcome to Tokyo, guys! So, ayan, wala kaming sundo. Kami lang sarili namin. So, this is Tokyo. Parang Philippines lang na. Ayan. So, we're going to have our bus ticket to going to Narita Terminal. Let's go. So, we're going to Narita Airport. So, you're going to have your bus ticket since we have a lot of luggages. So, English, Narita Airport. Yep.
Welcome. Please choose your destination. Please choose the number of passengers. Please choose your preferred bus.
640. 640? Yeah.
Please confirm your request and touch confirm.
This is the price.
Yeah, that's the price.
Please choose a payment method.
Cash.
So we have
Ooh.
Please insert your cash.
Yep.
We are issuing your ticket. Please wait for a while.
it's very easy,
Thank
you
you
know.
very much. Please take your ticket and please take
Just the
your
change?
ticket.
And this is our ticket. So,
Yeah.
2
for the
Narita
two.
Airport Terminal 2.
For the 2 Sailor Moons. Easy as it is. See? So, information lang, guys. And then, you can ask them how to get there, how to get your ticket. And, yeah. So, we didn't take the train since we have a lot of luggages. So, good luck with us. So, nag-travel kami dito. Mainit. Ang init sa Japan. We're going to wait for the bus. So, 6:40 yung binook namin. So, ito yung aming bus going to Narita Airport. Airport limousine. So, they get all our luggages. Ayan, parang sa province lang. Pagpupunta ng Bicol. Narita Airport. We're going in the bus. Going in the bus. Thank you. Walang ka-traffic dito sa Japan. Ang ganda. Ang smooth. Grabe. Smooth line driver. So, puro buildings lang nakikita natin. Parang nasa EDSA lang tayo. BGC.
A few moments later.
Welcome to Narita Airport. So, this is the airport. So, busy naman. Grabe. Ito ay pupunta na sa Vancouver. At napakadali lang nung pag self-check-in namin. Ito lang mangyayari dyan. So, mag-fill out lang kayo dyan. Yung passport nyo, yung details nyo, may face recognition pero hindi naman gumana sa akin pero okay lang. At least meron na kayong boarding pass and then pwede na namin i-bag drop. Ayan lang yung pag self-bag drop. Tsaka may nag-a-assist sa amin. So, ang ganda.
Ganda ni ate.
Ganda ni ate. At thank you, Lord. Parang kayang-kaya mo dito mag-travel mag-isa kasi tanong-tanong ka lang, okay na. Tapos, naintindihan ka naman nila, English speaking.
And they're very friendly.
Very friendly, accommodating. Grabe, lahat na. Tsaka, ano sila, respectful. Yan. So, nakapagtanong na nga kami sa isang Japanese. So, yan yung picture niya. Napaka-pretty and very accommodating. Nga, yun yung kanina nag-assist sa amin. So, we're going to Narita-san. So, it takes 10 minutes to go there by train. But, we're gonna try to leave our bags sa locker. So, we're going to look for lockers and look for the station. So, sabi niya, from here, we're in 3rd floor. So, we're going down 3 times. And you're gonna see there the Wi-Fi rentals and then the station where we can go to Narita-san. So, let's take a look and let's go! We're in Terminal 2. And we can see lockers here. So, the Japanese girl said that they have locker here. We're gonna check first how much is the locker. So meron ditong 400. They have 500 yen. And they've got 600 yen for the luggage. So it depends on how many or how big is your luggages. And you're gonna pay here. Very independent ka talaga. So Terminal 2, ayan, 3rd floor. Ayan ang lockers natin, guys. So, you can choose whichever you want. So, ang ginawa lang niya, tinuruan niya rin kami babae kanina. So, dito kami sa 400 yen since maliit lang naman yung bag namin.
Please pay the amount
Here.
shown on the
So,
screen.
ayan. So, dito yung cash. And then, choose mo lang yung language mo
You
and then
will need the
confirm.
receipt to take
So,
out
you
your
need to push
luggage.
first.
Please
Ayan,
be sure to take
push
the
the door
receipt.
to close and the lamp
Thank you for
flashes.
using.
Tapos, ayan. So, taking out directions. So, paano to kukuhain?
Good luck.
Ano good luck? You can pay locker fee by even. When used by cash, a receipt with your PIN for unlocking the locker will be issued. So, nasa receipt mo yung PIN natin para
Please
makuha
press
mo yung
exit, and you will get back to the first
Okay.
screen.
So, makikita nyo, nandito kami sa may airport shop. So, marami naman dito mabibili. Dahil gusto lang namin pumunta sa Narita-san. At gumala. Pero tingnan natin kasi parang okay naman dito. Look ko. So, welcome tax-free. So, meron din doon Muji to go. And other things to explore inside the airport. So, ayan, ang dami na lang foods. Ayan, explore lang kayo. Explore lang. So, welcome to Japan. May McDonald's din! O, diba? Busog ka na dito. Huwag ka nang lumabas. Tax-free pa. Ayos, oh. Ang gaganda. At saka, ang daming stylish, oh. Ang stylish dito sa Japan. May Starbucks din. Paborito ni Ate Ping. Tapos yung toilet. Ang cute! Wow! Stylish things.
Where are we going?
So, we are here.
Kindergarten.
So, whichever you wanna go.
Shinto
So,
Kaikan.
dito yung maraming kainan on Motesando Street. So, we're just
Okay.
going to walk there. Alright guys, so nandito na kami sa papuntang Omotesan. Omotesan? Wow. So, ganito makikita mo pag naglakad-lakad ka dito. Ang daming foods. Ayan. Food trip. Pero sobrang init dito. Pawis na pawis na ako. Whew. So, hindi ko alam kung saan na kami kakain. Pero, naghahanap lang kami dito. So, straight ahead lang kami para hindi kami maligaw. Kasi, babalik na rin naman kami agad sa airport. Ayan. Ang cute-cute. Ang cute-cute na mga store dito. Alright, so nakita nyo yung parkingan dito. Walang bantayan, guys. Kailangan mo lang maghulog ng pera. Well, it's Japan. Very strict at very honest sila dito. So, ito yung parang lock nila para mag-park sila. Siguro ito yung binabayaran nila. Parking. So, we're just passing by, going to the temple. We have a special and a gift. And she's going to write our name here. So, they just ask us to follow them to their Instagram. We're just going to choose which postcard. So nice. Ooh. Jubilee, yes. Ooh, standing tree. Beautiful. Oh! Wow. Okay.
Postcard. You choose
Okay, I will choose my postcard. This one.
Okay.
Yeah. So she's going to write my name. Maybe this one. Ooh, so nice. Cute. Oh! Ooh, beautiful daw ako. Okay. Ang haba ng name ko Ay, thank you so much! Guys, pagbaba nyo, right kayo agad. Tapos makikita nyo na dito yung maraming parang kainan. Ito yung mga nakikita ko sa sa vlog. So, dito lang pala yon. So, ang cute-cute. Cute-cute oh. Uy. So, may mga market. See? Market. Just going down lang. So, we had another free taste for chestnut. And I think it's my first time. So, she gave us this one. And, uishi! Okay. Arigatou gozaimasu. Sarap pa. Pampawala ng ng gutom. Ayos pa dito, marami ng free taste. I think I can see the temple. So, madadaanan nyo tong lahat ng to going down. At mamaya going up, guys. So, good luck. So, guys, ito na, nakarating na ako sa destination na ito yung pinaka-famous daw nilang kinakain dito sa Japan. So, ayan, pinipilahan, di ba? Ang daming tao. So, dito lang yan pagbaba nyo. So, ito yung mga prices. So, hindi ko alam kung kain ako yan kasi ano yan ano nga yan, isda yan, ayun yung isda na parang yung mga yung il nagi. Ayan. Yay. Daming pila, guys. Grabe. So, dapat early kayo. Buti may pamaypay dito. Gusto mo i-try? Ayan il nagi. Yan yung pinupuntahan nila mostly dito. They're killing the eel. Uy! Oh my, live na live si Manong. Uy, grabe. So, ayun na. Siguro kaya to dinadayo din kasi live na live nga eh. Kitang-kita, no? We have arrived. Siguro mga 15 minutes walking. At nandito na tayo sa temple, guys. Yeah, this is a temple. Whew! Wow, ang ganda naman nito. Uy, si Doraemon ba yan? Ang ganda. Ano yung temple? So, we're going there for a few minutes. Few minutes talaga ba? Depende sa pag-picture namin. Uy, ang cute-cute. Wakamatsu. Honten. Hindi ko alam kung anong ibig sabihin nun. So, ayan na. Let's go na inside! So, ayan na nga guys. Nandito na kami sa temple. And pagod na kami sa sobrang init. Pero yung walking wala naman. Pero yung init lang talaga sobrang nakakapagod siya. Nakadagdag siya sa gutom at saka sa hassle. So, hindi naman kami masyadong hungry. Pero ito na lang yung pupuntahan namin. Then we're going back to Narita Terminal 2. So, doon na kami muna magpapahinga. So, umupo lang kami. Then, we're going to have picture there later. When you go here sa temple, may mga nagbabaw sila dito. And some says that you need to wash your hands before you go here. So, dito sa baba yung washing of hands. Tapos, good news is that they don't have any entrance here. So, kung may layover kayo katulad namin 12 hours at meron kayong visa sa Japan, well, you can actually come here and visit this place. So, 9 minutes lang ang train from Narita Terminal 2 to Narita. And then, walking na lang kayo ng maybe 10 to 15 minutes, depends on how you walk. So, sa amin, sobrang dami namin picture. So, ang tagal namin makapunta dito. And then, have a lot of errands and other stuff. So, ayun. So, hindi na kami akyat sa taas since pagod na kami at wala pa kaming kain. And we just take a picture na lang. And then, doon, at least, diba, we just had a glimpse of how Japan looks like. Yan. Ganda. Ganda dito. Yun nga lang, ang pangit lang ng weather na pinuntahan namin dito since it's summer. So, I bet siguro next time, sana, pag pumunta kayo dito, yung medyo cool naman and not super warm like this. So, ayan lang. Okay, so we just dropped by to order our lunchtime. At baka ako ay mahimatay na naman. So, si ate po yung magbubuhat sa akin. So, hindi papayag yan ng gano'n. Joke. So, walang wifi dito. And, di ko alam kung anong place to. Pero, nadatnan ko lang kasi may mga favorite ako dito. Yan. Yung oyakodon. Yan yung set niya. So, 1-1 lang yan. And then, si Ate Ping, as usual, yung favorite niyang curry, 1-2 lang. So, ayun. So, di ko alam kung may service charge. So, tip lang pala sa mga magla-locker dyan. So, once na close nyo na yan, tapos magbabayad ka na dyan, pag may nalimutan kang ipasok dyan, katulad ko, hindi ko napasok yung bag ko. So, gumala kami ng Japan sa Narita nang may dalang bag. So, ang sakit ng likod ko. So, ito, parang wala naman siyang limit kung hanggang kailan mo kukunin yung bag mo. So, unlimited ata siya. So, ayun. Yun lang. Tip lang. Promise. Pag sinara mo na, wala ka na, hindi mo na pwedeng buksan ulit kasi nga magbabayad ka ulit. So, magiging twice na yung magiging bayad mo. So, yun lang. Tip lang. pahabol guys before we leave Tokyo, Narita. Nandito kami ngayon sa Akihabara. So, ang dami dito mga souvenirs. If you wanna go here, you can try buying stuffs like ang daming animes, foods, different kind of poke, different flavors, at iba pa. So, try to come here if you have time before you leave Narita. Yan. Ganda rin dito para kang nag-window shopping. So, hindi kami bumili kasi hindi naman namin kailangan. May mga t-shirts din. Ayan. So, ito kami nag-freshen up na din. Wala nang Sailor Moon. So, again, see you soon. See you again on my next vlog. Moving on to the next leg of our travel. Arigato gozaimasu, annyeonghaseyo. Hindi mo na alam na kung nasaan ka ng lugar. Pero nasa Japan ka. Diba? Goodbye, Japan. Let's go to Seattle. Thank you, Lord, for smooth. Sobrang smooth dito sa Japan. May delay nga lang na 25 minutes. Pero goods pa rin. Thank you, Lord.